Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic to explore living room outdoor garden ideas. Imagine creating a lush green paradise right inside your home. In this video, we will be show you how to transform your living room into a captivating outdoor garden space. Let's dive in. Just look at this incredible space. Would not it be amazing to have the same ambience in your own living room? Well, today we are going to make that dream a reality. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to bring the outdoors into your living room is by incorporating vertical gardens. These space saving wonders not only add a touch of nature but also serve as stunning wall art. Hi, here I have a simple vertical garden project. Natural light is essential for any indoor garden. It not only nourishes the plant but also create a vibrant atmosphere. Let's explore some ideas on how to make the most of your windows. First, ensure you have an obstructed access to the window. Remove heavy drapes or curtains and replace them with shade or translucent options. This way you will maximize the amount of sunlight entering your living room. Next, create cozy sitting areas near the window where you can relax and enjoy the view. You can add comfortable chair, cushions and a small coffee table. It's the perfect spot to bask in the beauty of your indoor garden. To complete the outdoor garden feel, we need to bring in some nature-inspired decor element. Let's explore a few ideas. Start by choosing earth and natural color palette for your living room. Shades of green, brown and beige work wonderfully. Incorporate these colors to your furniture, pillows, rugs and other accessories. Additionally, include decorative elements like driftwood, pebbles and seashells to give your living room a coastal vibe. You could also hang botanical print or nature-inspired artwork on the walls. Lastly, what an outdoor garden without the soothing sound of water. Include a small water feature in your living room can elevate the entire experience. Consider adding a tabletop fountain, a wall-mounted water feature. And there you have it, living room outdoor garden ideas to transform your space into a nature-filled oasis. With vertical gardens, ample natural light, nature-inspired decor, and a water feature, you can create a stunning indoor garden right in your living room. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own indoor garden journey. Share your ideas, creations, or any questions you have in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting gardening content. Until next time, happy gardening.